Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to change this young lady's vest that she's wearing. So first of all, let's copy the layer, Command or Control J. Come over here to the Select Subject tool. It's really called the Object Selection tool. Come up and make sure this is Lasso. Go around loosely. There you go. And you'll notice that it selects it very nicely. We have another area up here that needs selecting, so hold the Shift key and go around. Hit Control or Command J to copy that. As you can see, it's up here. We'll come down to the adjustment layers and hit Solid Color. And in this case it happens to be red. I actually pre-selected that. So hit OK. Now you'll notice the whole thing is red. How we deal with that is come over to the palette here, Layers palette, hold the Option or Alt key. You'll notice the arrow. When you click on it, it only puts the color in that selected area. Now in order to make it look realistic, go from normal in the modes to multiply. There we have it. We have a red vest. Now if you don't like that color, double click on the red in the Layers palette, grab the arrows and just move it around. And now there we are. We have a purple. So just hit OK and you're all set. So I hope that worked out for you, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks a lot.